Boomerang. Start long sitting with the legs crossed and the hands pressed into the ground. Use the hands to assist your roll over, switch the legs, find your teaser, then take the arms behind and then they circle around, returning to a forward fold, ready to start again. We inhale, prepare, exhale to roll over, inhale to switch the legs, exhale to return to teaser. Inhale, take the arms out to the side, and then exhale, lower the legs and circle the arms out and around on the inhale to finish and get ready to start again. Lorraine's arms circle quite quickly on this one, and she doesn't really hold the teaser that long. So maybe you could slow this exercise down as you're working through. It's a challenging, dynamic exercise, but it's lots of fun once you get going into the rhythm of it.